Okay, friends, welcome once again to another episode of Great Kids Learning Class. This, of course, is where fun meets faith and learning never ends. This is one of our shorts videos. All right, today we'll be looking at basic Bible facts. Do you know any Bible facts? You can let me know. I'm listening. Okay, the Bible facts we'll be looking at today are just few, so I need you to pay close attention. The first one is the shortest verse in the Bible. The shortest verse in the Bible is John 11, verse 35. And it says, Jesus wept. Can we say that together? John 11:35, Jesus wept. The longest verse in the Bible is Esther 8, verse 9. Esther 8, verse 9. Can we read that together? So the king's scribes were called at that time in the 3rd month, that is the month Sivan, on the 23rd day, and it was written according to all that Mordecai commanded to the Jews, the satraps, the governors, and the princes of the provinces, which extended from India to Ethiopia, 127 provinces, to every province according to its script, and to every people according to their language, as well as to the Jews according to their scripts and their language. This is the longest verse in the Bible. Let's look at the shortest chapter. The shortest chapter in the Bible is Psalms 117, and it has only 2 verses. Okay? Praise the Lord, all ye nations. Extol him, all ye peoples. For great is his love towards us, and the faithfulness of the Lord endures forever. Praise the Lord. This is the shortest chapter in the Bible. The shortest chapter. Right? Good. Now the longest chapter. The longest chapter in the Bible is Psalms 119, and it has 176 verses. Of course, we're not going to read that. It's a whole lot. 176 verses. Have you learned something today? I believe you have learned something today. You've known the shortest verse, the longest verse, the shortest chapter, and the longest chapter. See you next time. Have a beautiful day. Bye.